don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by Brother Muta.
Steve Ogunjan.
3.
Steve Ogunjan.
I'm Nandi Prime.
Yes. Still a chance to see another game.
Yes.
Steve,
Yeah.
we came here to witness the game between Sekhukhune versus Sundowns.
Yes.
Steve, we know very well that since Sekhukhune was established,
Yes.
Sekhukhune never win at Sundown.
Yes.
So we came here just maybe to give them that support
Yes.
so that they can beat Sundown.
Yes.
Because they managed to beat Perez
Yes.
and Chiefs.
Yes.
How can Eric Tinkler, you bench Makalo and Mujela?
Those are your best players.
You're number 3 on the log.
Yeah.
So show us the respect as a fans.
Yes.
Eric Tinkler.
Yes.
Because he never show us respect because even Sundown.
Yeah.
He respect too much Sundown.
Very much.
Very much.
Even in his press conference.
First things, when you interview him, congratulations, Mamelodi Sundowns. What does that mean? Guys, Perez, we are on our own.
Yeah.
To beat Sundown or to win this league, we are on our own.
Yeah.
Because these smaller teams, they don't ever come to party.
Yeah.
Sekhukhune, they beat me first game at home.
Yeah.
Draw 1-1 with me at 0-0 at their place.
Yeah.
But they failed to beat they failed to beat Sundowns here. And Sundown today, Steve, there was nowhere to be found. Steve, you know Sundown, you know Sundown supporters. Steve. Steve, the supporters of Sundowns, they must know, or this is football.
Yeah.
I came here on my own.
Yeah.
There's no one give me a ticket to come here.
Yeah.
So they must allow me to speak.
Yeah.
What I see.
Yeah.
Guys, let's respect each other.
Yeah.
We know Umtagataga, they travel all the way.
Yeah.
We respect them.
Yeah.
They come to Orlando Stadium. We respect them.
Yeah.
So Sundown, Steve, everything is written on the wall.
Yeah.
Perez is going to take this league.
Yeah.
This league is wide open, Steve.
Yeah.
Sundown that they're playing here.
Yeah.
And also they're forced to bring back
Saleh.
No, 40, Temozwane.
Yes.
Temozwane is not 100% fit.
Yeah.
But now they're forced because they see that Perez is coming. Also, Steve, I was very disappointed. Steve, no, man, this guy's no, man. We can't work like that. Yeah, Steve. Yeah, give them a chance.